We're not just a drayage and transload company. We're more than that. We care about how we handle your products in and out, and we are really looking at the future as far as renewable energy. I feel that we have to do our part to keep the environment cleaner, and overall we are seeing a change. I mean, you look at the road, you have a bunch of different cars out there. We've got now our Freightliner E-Cascadias, our Big Joes here, and it's just sustainability is overall important. Some of the challenges that we face is, I mean, we constantly have to change out propane tanks, a lot of downtime, and machines break down more often and continuous. So it's a lot more maintenance that goes into operating and servicing the lifts than when we are operating an electric lift. We have to fuel up every other day, not just with diesel, with propane as well. And we're getting filled up, I think, 3 times a week. And now having electric, we see the difference in our bill every single month. It's humongous. It's very old school. You go to a Big Joe Forklift and it's more quiet, it's cleaner. The difference with the Big Joe LPE100 is the power. Straight and forward is the power. They help keep our emission costs down. The environment that we're working in is more quiet, it's safer, and overall pleasant to be around. It's quiet. But yet we're moving.
It's very quick on acceleration, gets around, it can handle the weights, all around perfect.
Legacy has a unique application. Everything that they get is different, but everything comes in on a shipping container. So they needed a product that can move heavy loads, but can also fit inside of a shipping container. So we were able to provide the LPE100, which fits inside of a shipping container and can pretty easily move just about anything that they have that comes through their doors. So they were experiencing higher maintenance costs on their internal combustion forklifts, and we were able to come in and provide a solution that is lower cost of ownership, and that's really derived through lower fuel costs and virtually no maintenance costs.